Hey there! Welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily download Spotify music as MP3 files for offline listening. While Spotify Premium lets you download music, those files only work in the Spotify app. But don't worry. By following these steps, you'll get real MP3 files saved directly on your device. To start, you'll need ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder. It works like a music downloader and supports 10 streaming services, including Spotify. Now let's see how it works. First, open ViWizard and set the output format. Choose MP3 and set the bitrate to 320 kbps if you want the best audio quality. Next, open the built-in Spotify web player. Log into your account and find the song or playlist you want to download. You can download the whole playlist at once or just select the songs you want. Finally, click Convert to start downloading. Once the conversion is finished, you can preview the tracks directly in ViWizard. Or click the folder icon to locate the MP3 files on your computer. Now you can play them with any media player or transfer them to other devices. That's it. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.